was not clear, right? Yes, I started my thing. Yeah, man. I got it. I got it, Bill. I got the voice working. As soon as I heard the ring, I realized I forgot to turn the microphone on. All right, I'll see you, bud. Okay. Yes, no mic. I got it, man. We got the mic now. Okay. God damn it. So, well, it's good that everyone's here now. So, gives a little, anticipation to the audience. Okay, so by the way, this is the oldest. If you want to look at the oldest Bitcoin chart, it's called the Brave New Coin Liquid Index. Okay, short ticker symbol is BLX. B as in boy, L as in lady, X as in X-rated movie. Okay, you know that better, right? You'll remember that. So what I was saying is everyone's expecting Bitcoin to act like the way it acted in 2015, this fractal here. What you see here, that's what everyone's expecting right there. That Bitcoin would, we acted very similar and would do this, right? See, let me show you where we are right now and why I think it would not act. It's possible that we could go through a scenario like this, but I do not doubt it because everyone's expecting it. Everyone thinks that $30,000 is the big level, right? That won't be able to break it, but I think Bitcoin is going to break that level convincingly and will go up. And there is a chance, again, a lot of people are waiting for a little chance that we might go to this $24,000 level because we spend a lot of time here, right? And it's possible, but I do not think that will happen, okay? Because we spend a lot of time here, right here. See, right here in this range, we spend a lot of time. So a lot of traders are waiting that they might get a chance that it drops to 24.5, and then they get in here, and then they can enjoy the journey up towards 40. Because they were expecting, okay, we'll go down here. Okay, we'll go down here. We'll go down here. We'll go down here. And they've been waiting. I think a lot of people got in here. People who got in here really lucky. Really lucky. But I don't think it's still too late to get in. Risk to reward was much better right here. Obviously, when I told my channel, my Patreons, everybody here on YouTube that, I'm getting in. I told them when I was getting in, all in was here. We enjoyed this run up and we got back in this range right here. So, yeah. Everything played out like the way we wanted, and I think we are going to $40,000 next. How long we'll waste time here? That depends. I think we might spend some time right here. Right here. We might spend some time here before moving up. Let's look at the total crypto market cap. How's everyone? How is everyone, by the way? AZ, I'll share. Always good to see Shrey pumped up. Thank you, brother. KRE Kong. Hey, bud. Can only hear music. Okay, got it. I corrected that. Chuck Freeman. Bill. Morning, Shrey. Let's pump it. Big Daddy. Steve. How are you, Steve? How are you, brother? Gujarati Papi. William. Okay. I got the audio working. Sorry, guys. I get excited. I turn on everything ready. I turn the lights on, the TV on, and sometimes I forget to turn. There's just one, I turn the microphone. It's a switchboard. It's an interface. I turn it on, but there's a red button that I need to turn on the microphone, and I forget sometimes. But what's happening? Kelsey West, Chuck Freeman. How are you, brother? Alex Wright, JATB. Ashtray, please can you look at ASD, Index? We will look at everything, brother. Recommended any coins? Alex Wright. Bro, I'm very bullish on, large caps that I'm bullish on is XRP, Bitcoin Cash, XLM. These are the coins I'm bullish on. Chainlink, these are large caps. Mid caps, really bullish on Zilliqa. You know, my thought process could be really biased because I'm invested in those coins, okay? And I'm not moving out of my position. But I think ICP, I have not invested money in ICP yet. But ICP, I think, Internet Computer is going to have a really good run. A 6 to 7x is coming for Internet Computer in a very short period of time. 6 to 7x. Here, ICP, Internet Computer. ICP. I'm really tempted to get into this because that 6 to 7x will be really, really nice. You know. And I think it's going to come. Now or later. I do think it's possible that we might, okay? Not sure here, but we might get one more down leg right here to $5, and you might get this opportunity to ride this wave that is going to not stop until 40, I think. Yeah, ICP, once it pumps. And the good thing is it will take very little time to pump. It may take between, I would say, let's see, it would pump to that level, I would say in 30 days. Once it hits this level 5, 30 to 20 days, it'll be very quick. That 500 to 600% pump will be very quick. Look at that. This is what I expect for ICP. Final levels are different, you know, but I think at some point we'll get here at 40. This is a huge level. See, the price stayed here for a long time, so I think that's why we are going. I personally think the price is going to go way higher than that, but how it works is we go up to that level, and then you see a downturn, right? Then we go up above this high, that is 84. So I think we go about $120, and then consolidate, you know, all this time, and then go down like that. Okay, create another low. That's what I feel. But right now, I'm really bullish on ICP. I think, you know, my price to get out would be either here $100 or at 40, between 40 to $45 would be where I would get out. It's just a phenomenal trade that I feel, you know, ICP is gonna, you know, it's gonna be quick. I feel whenever that happens, it's gonna be quick, and it's right there, man. You know, it's right there. So when do I think I would get in? We'll see. If I'm lucky, if this comes back down to $5, possibly to 480. If the wick goes down to 480, 474, if you're lucky enough, God gives us this chance, this comes back down. Because I do think that Bitcoin's going to pump right now. Altcoin's not going to pump right now. Altcoins still have a little more consolidation to do. There are a few odd altcoins that might pump, but majority of altcoins are going to waste some time before the real pump in alt happens. Okay, so I do think that ICP, I think it has reached this level, and I think it would start its downturn or sideways action, a little bit sideways action before it goes down. So we could spend some time here, you know, in this range, going up and down before we go back down, right? Like to this range, between 5 to 580, this level, right? I would think it would hold this level right there. Right, so 480, 474, 470 is possible, right? And then from there on, we start our bull run, right? So I do think it's possible, because I don't think, you know, altcoins are ready right now to pump. But when the pump happens, it's going to be phenomenal. I think Bitcoin will lead the market Ethereum and large caps go in. So that's why I'm more bullish on large caps. You could see XRP move a lot quicker than other coins. But when these coins like ICP, when they will break out, it's going to be like 5x to 6x, like very, very quick. Quick money, man. Quick money. People will not get a chance to get in. Okay? You heard this on Straight to the Baby. 5x is a lot of money. People don't understand 5x. If I have a $200,000 house, it takes years, 30 years, 40 years to get 5x. 5x is a lot of money. A lot of money. So, imagine if I put $100,000, it's like $500,000 money. That is life-changing, man. I could pay off, 2 of my properties. Boom, and done. Be financially free. What's your thoughts on XRP versus SEC circus? Bro, for me, it's all just FUD. XRP is going to do really well. I have a lot of XRP. I have not sold a single one since I bought it. And XRP is going to do really well. I'm just, it's just a waiting game, right? XRP chart looks really bullish. I've been bullish about the whole crypto market because XRP was the crypto that told me that we are going to have a bull run. XRP was the one which told me where the bottom was, right? Once XRP hit the bottom, Bitcoin Cash hit the bottom. These are the signs which told me that the bottom was in for Bitcoin, right? So I am very bullish about XRP. Very, very bullish. See, my targets for XRP, short-term targets, are between $2.50 to $3. Yes, $2.50 to $3. There are a lot of people have targets off around 130. It's possible that we might stop at 130, but I do not think we'll stop at 130. We might have some sort of correction at 130, but ultimate target is between $2.30 to $3. $2.30 to $3. This is where I would expect a big correction coming for XRP. But yeah, I do think we'll come very close to the all-time high. We'll come very close to the all-time high before some sort of correction. So $2.70 to $3 of XRP. It's going to happen very quick. When XRP moves, you see these big candles. You see how many days it took. You wait all this time. All this time it makes you wait, right? All this time makes you wait. And then suddenly it just pumps. How many days it took for XRP to get where it is? Look, 24 days. A lot of people become impatient, right? Do not be impatient and believe in your crypto. Believe in your project, right? If you think that, your technical skills or whosoever you follow, believe in it. Have some faith, right? Look at the pump. Look at the pump XRP did in 24 days. It pumped almost 1600%, a 16x in 24 days. Okay, so it has not done just once. It has done several times. Here, back here, how many days it took? Look at the pump. This was again an 11x pump. How many days? 21 days. Okay, so right here, if you watch, see the pump. Always, it makes you wait all this time. You get frustrated. You see other coins go up, and yeah, when it pumps, it's gonna pump very quickly. So do not get, you see this fractal. I feel we are following that fractal here. Right, look at that. It's so similar to XRP. What's going on right now? Look at this fractal right there. See this? You know what I mean? This is just a longer version of that thing, right? So I do think, personally think, I think it'll go to $2.50 to $3 XRP. We'll see. This line for me, let me clear this out so you're able to see it. For me, this is the trend line. At some point we are going to touch. Okay, when that happens, that would make it as the top. So you sometimes, cross these lines. The wicks with XRP could go really far, almost. See this wick here? If you look on a weekly, this wick is huge. Look at this. On a monthly or a weekly, look at that. Look at this wick. It went up how many percent? It went up 65% wick, okay, on a monthly. So, and look at this wick that went down on a monthly. Look at that. 32%. So the wick could go past trend line, 25, 30%, 60%. So I'm being modest. $273 I think XRP. That's where XRP is going. Bro, can you check AMP? For people who are new here, guys, thank you for tuning in. How my channel works, I go live every other day or every day. Soon, now that there's excitement in the market, I'll be going live. I'll try to go live every day, and I will try to fix a time which can accommodate as many people as I can, because I have some Australian audience from majority of my audience is in the United States. I think 35% of my audience is in the United States. Rest are in Canada, India, UK, and Australia, and parts of Europe. So yeah, I will try to fix a time where, at certain time I come every day. Okay. But yeah, now things are getting exciting, and I'm really bullish for the next 90 days. I'm uber bullish. 90 days. But first thing first, Bitcoin is going to go up first, because Bitcoin is going to lead the market. And a lot of people are expecting it to go down, but no, Bitcoin is going to pump. We are going to pump at least 34, 35. Then you get this little, pullback that you're looking for. But we are heading towards 40, and then $55,000. Eventually, I believe we are going to 100,000. This is where $100,000 to $120,000 is my top target for Bitcoin. If somebody's calling for $200,000, $300,000, I don't think that's going to happen. Max I would look for Bitcoin is about $100,000 to $120,000 Bitcoin, right, in this bull run. And bull run, I expect it to last until 2026. 2026. This is going to be one of the longest bull run. So I do expect crash after this run. So it'll be a great trading opportunity. It's going to be a crazy cycle like no one is expecting. Okay, it's going to be really cool because no one's expecting in this kind of environment where you have wars going on, you have inflation, you have interest rate going up, and so much uncertainty. CBDC coming. It's just crazy right now. And no one's expecting this is going to happen. But if you look in 1921, we have the same situation right here. Let me go through the fundamentals and let people know why I think. Here, if you look at Dow Jones, this is what happened. We had what is that flu? Spanish flu right here. This is where Spanish flu happened. Okay. In I think 1919 or 1920, Spanish flu happened. This is where World War II happened, right? This is where the Feds increased the interest rate, right? They started increasing rates right here, and the interest rate keep on going up until here, and then it slowed down. It slowed down. They stopped the interest rate going up. This is where we got the bottom, and we went up, had the crash, and went up, right? So I do feel something similar. This was a depression. The stocks were down. Everything was down here, right? And everyone thought right here that we are going to get the biggest collapse, right? In 1920, I believe all the circumstances evidence is just like what we went through in 1921, right? We went through, it's called a depression too, right? Anytime the market goes below 20%, it's a bear market. But this was terrible. The stocks, everything was down. This was terrible, just like what we are going through right now. And look what happened. Look what happened after that. And I do expect a crash, something similar like this is going to happen in cryptos as well, which is going to be terrible, terrible. You think the crash right now is bad? Wait for something like this. This is the dot-com bubble. You know, for example, this was like a dot-com bubble, right? This was a 1932 crash, right? Something like this, I expect it to start somewhere in 2026, 2027. This is what I expect to start in 2026. Until then, I call this a roaring 20s, a repeat of roaring 20s. We are going to get a repeat of roaring 20s. The markets, they are going to print so much money. They are going to print every government in the world. They cannot get out of this dump that they are into. They cannot raise interest rate or they will just collapse the economy. So the second tool that they have is QE. See, create a problem and present a solution. They want you to be hand to mouth. They want you jobless. They want you to have difficulty making money so that now the government says, okay, we have this huge problem. You know, we don't want to print money, but we have this huge issue. Banks are collapsing. Everything's going down. You don't have a job. You cannot feed your family. So we are going to print this money for you. Right? And yeah, that's why you get into assets, right? Anytime when the government, we've been printing money since 1950s like crazy. So the value of dollar has gone down almost 98%. But we are going to print more money. You see, the dominance of dollar is going down all around the world, right? BRICS, you see other countries, right, are trying to build their own reserve currency. Like dollar is a petrodollar, we call it, right? It's a reserve currency right now. But it's going to go down. But all this process is going to take a while. Dollar is still the king of all the currency. We are going to momentarily, until 2026, I feel the DXY, that is a dollar. If you look at the DXY, I feel the DXY is going to go down until 2026. This is the dollar index. Look, I already have set up, and I do think dollar is going to go down until 2025, 2026. We might hit almost 85 or 82. Possible the wick could go 82, but after that the dollar dominance goes up and all the other currencies, something really bad happens in about 2026. I would say it would start, the dominance would go up in 2026, but it just explodes in 2027, 28. Something catastrophic happens in somewhere around 2028 and the dollar goes up like crazy. Okay, so yeah, do you think things are bad right now? Then wait what happens in 2030 and 2032. So that's why, again, every crisis comes the opportunity. So we need to make sure we have tons of money and we sit in cash, right, when that happens. Okay. Chuck Freeman. Alex, low cap coin I listed above is worth. Do your own research. This community is all volunteers and would like more members. Which crypto was that? Alex? Chuck Freeman? They want you to be dependent on them. Yes, exactly. Low cap crypto. Well, there are several low cap cryptos, bro. You know, but I think there are a couple that I'm into, which is gonna take a while. I'm into a low cap crypto called SLP, Smooth Love Potion. It's going to test your patience, but I think it's gonna go 25, at least 25 to 30x when the time is right. Epic Cash, yes, Chuck Freeman. We looked at Epic Cash a while ago. Let me look at it again. A chart for Epic Cash. Last time we had a chart for Epic Cash. Bro, this is my research. I don't want to mess with my research. So, how are we gonna find Epic Cash? Only one exchange is available on VITEX. Market cap of 22 million. Trying to find cash, bro. I was able to find the chart last time. What happened? Why am I not able to find it right now? It's just wrapped ether. Maybe I'm able to find here. Oh, right there. Epic Cash. Yeah. Right here. When was the last time we discussed about Epic Cash? Is this the correct date? Let's see. 16th April. Yes, this is the correct date. I would say being modest, I would say is $17. That's where it's heading. It might waste some time before it goes up. You know, that's what I would think. It builds some sort of triangle right there. Cash. Right, how long this triangle will last, that depends. The moment we get out of this triangle, I think the run for Epic Cash will start. Might take a little while. Okay, might take a little while before this triangle breaks. You see this, right? We have some room. Somewhere in May, I would expect Epic Cash could explode. Somewhere in May, second week of May. It says first week, but usually what happens to these triangles, they break bearish. Like it goes like that, goes up, and then, you know, breaks bearish, waste some time before they explode. Okay, makes you bearish, right? When it goes down, breaks this triangle, you're expecting it to go up. It might go up a little bit and then, you know, breaks bearish, and a lot of people panic sell right here, right before it goes back up. The, you know, next minute it would go back up, and a lot of people get wrecked, right? Because it tests your, you know, human emotion. A lot of people who are new in crypto, they make this mistake, right? They want to trade, right? Everyone wants to trade. Everyone wants to make money, and if they win one or two times, they get good trades. They think they are champions, right? And yeah, short-term trades, man, it's difficult, right? You can't. Majority of the time, these triangles break bearish and then they go up. Okay, so this could happen. Just giving a heads up. But this is that's what I think. I think it would somewhere in May we would break out, okay, off this triangle for Epic Cash. Church, how do you even buy that, and where do you hold it? Never used VITEX. Yeah, that's the only issue. PPT down over 99.5. Rari or Bill? PPT. What is PPT? Bill's my Patreon, so, and my friend. Are you talking about this, Bill? Populous? Wow, man, wow. Yeah, 99.93% down, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah, the run's gonna be crazy. Is this easily available? You know, I wouldn't mind throwing in some money here, man. When this pops, is gonna be good. You know, easy 5x, 10x, easy, easy, easy. Then you get out. You know, 10x, you get out because it's gonna come back down. Right? You know, things like this sometimes takes a while to pump. But if you look at the weekly here, Populous. This is ready, bro. This is ready. Look at this. Man, perfect. This was the bottom here. This was the bottom. Yeah. So I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, even pumps to this level right here. Goes back up to this level. You know, waste some time here and then just pops. Just pops to $1. So imagine if this thing pops to $1. Wow, that's a freaking, you know, 80 cents, 88 cents is a 15x, bro. You know, yeah, man, that's phenomenal. At some point, it's gonna do a 10x, 15x. This is a easy 10x, 15x. Yeah, I think at some point it's going to explode. It might consolidate like this, like the way I explained, and then just pop one day. You know, out of nowhere, it pops to, you know, even $1. You can push it up to $1, $1.50, and then come back down. You know, do something like this before it starts to run. It might never have that run and this project might get shut down. You don't know what Populous is, but just giving you a heads up, you know, something like this. I would expect it to reach at least 70 cents at some point in the cycle. How long it's going to take, I cannot guarantee that, but you know, that's a 15x. That's quick 15x. When that happens, it's going to be quick. In a day or 2 days, like boom, you know, a big dildo will be up. Where is this thing available? POPU. Let's see. PPT. Populous. Which exchanges is this available on? Oh, it's available on KuCoin? Bro, no way. Wow. Hey, thanks, Bill. Thanks, man. It's available on KuCoin. The only problem is I have to convert my USDT into Ether. The fees are killer. It's still a good volume, you know, $40,000 in BTC volume. So I might convert it into BTC and then buy some of this. Populous website doesn't even work. Okay. Well, we'll have to do some research. Okay, I'm just being a degen. I wouldn't go crazy in these coins. I would put, you know, max I would put 5-10 grand. That's it. Right? Because these projects, I don't know. I've not done some research or anything like that. But, you know, nothing wrong in putting 5 grand. See where it goes. You never know. High risk, high reward. It's down 99.90%. Right? So I don't think there's any, you know, it's on KuCoin. I like that exchange. Look, how much? That's crazy. That is down 99.93%. Yeah, it went down 99.97%, 98%. So almost went to zero. So yeah, I don't think any downside risk here. Yeah, man. I would buy some. Fuck it. You know. Yeah, I think 78 to $1 is totally possible. $1.20, even $1.20. Imagine if this thing goes up. If it's your lucky day and this decides to go to $38 in 2026, 2027, like this, I don't expect it, but hey, you know, there's nothing wrong in dreaming, right? By 2026, right? By 2026, if it even reaches not all-time high, about $27, you know, look at that. It would crash back down and go up, you know, like this. I wouldn't be surprised if something like this happens, hits, you know, $20. So imagine that would make this run. Wow. Let's say 500x, right? 500x? It's 50,000%. So yeah. This is a 15x, 30x. This is a 100x. Yeah, this is a 500x. If that happens. 500x. That'll be crazy. That will be crazy. But will you have the guts to hold this? Because what can happen is, you know, we might just go here and just go sideways for a long time. Risky. But, you know, $1,000, if it hits, you know, 20, that'll be life-changing, man. 500x, that'd be crazy. Ned, straight TV, baby. Is SLP finally curling up? Let us see SLP. What's happening with SLP? I'm not even looking at it, because when you look at it every day, the chances of fucking up increases, right? When the time is right, look, once you're in a position, there's no point looking at it, man. Don't look at it every day. I have my own position. I have the targets when I'm going to get out, at what number I'm going to get out. Or if I think about even taking some profit, will be, you know, at least these levels at 3 cents will be my first target. 3 cents would be my first target. 3 cents, between 3 to 5 cents. I'm not going to touch my SLP, like nada. Zero. Until 3 cents, right? Even the thought of touching SLP to 3 cents is crime, I would say, right? 3 cents. So that is what? It depends on you how greedy you are. Me, I'll be very happy with this. Wow. You know, 3-4 cents. You're talking about 13x. That's a good run. That's a good run, my friend. And I personally think that we will hit this channel. I think SLP is in this channel, and we will at some point hit the top of this channel before some sort of crash. So I think, you know, 5 cent to 8 cent, 5 cent to 8 cent, totally possible for SLP in this run. But I do expect it to come back down with the crash. Massive crash. I expect in July, August, September, somewhere in September, right? So the rally could come back down, all the way back down, even go lower, right? So I do expect that crash, but we will see what it does. My time frame is between August, September, right? So, you know, depends how much it goes. It could go to only 3 cents and then come back down. It could go to either 5 or 6, 7 cents and then come back down. We'll see. We will see where other cryptos are, and we'll decide. I cannot say right now that, you know, but these are my targets, right, for SLP. How long it drags? Man, it could drag forever, you know. You've seen cryptos which stay in this channel until it does not break out of this channel. you cannot say when it's going to explode. It's in this channel, right? SLP is in this channel. Until it gets out of this channel convincingly, you cannot say how long it's gonna take. It can just keep on doing this, you know, jerk you around like that before one day just get out. Okay, there's no precise date, but I am bullish until August of this year. I'm very bullish. So next 90 to 120 days I'm bullish. So, you know, if this got a pump, that'll be those days. So, but until May, this is possible. It might just keep on going down or sideways until May. We'll see. When it breaks out of this channel, this is where I would look at SLP. Until it's in this channel, man, this could just, the fuckery could just go on for a long time. Easy. Epic on change soon. Okay, changed, you means that Changely IO, right? Coin store and change now are done deals, just processing tech integrations. Okay, easy. Boy, oh boy. Let's find a low cap. Okay, how about finding a low cap gem? Last time we stopped here, we looked at Hush. Was the last low cap, $620,000 low cap. We looked at Protocol. I am very bullish on Protocol. This coin is on Coinbase, and I really like the project. It's about dogs. Okay, it's about pets, dogs and cats, and it's functional. Okay, I've looked at the Twitter, and I do believe in the project. This project's gonna do really well. I believe if the regulations or nothing, you know, crazy hits until 2026, I think Protocol could 100x, 200x this project. $620,000 right now. Okay, I really like this project, you know, but yeah, high risk, high reward. And this is on Coinbase. I think Protocol is on Coinbase. Low cap. Look at that, bro. Look at it. Look at this is phenomenal. I cannot. This is such a good chart, bro. Look at this. It's a no-brainer. Look at this Bitcoin chart against Protocol. Man, this is going to have one of the best runs. When this thing explodes, gets out of this, it's going to get crazy. Trust me, it's going to get crazy. Look at that. Yeah, man. It's going to get crazy. This is his first cycle against Bitcoin, right? Protocol against Bitcoin. Very close. Look. Carry on, okay? For a long time it could be a drag. I've seen several cryptos just keep on, you know, doing this before a big breakout happens. But see where it is going. The longer we wait and the longer it consolidates, the higher it's going to go. Okay, simple fact of any crypto. The longer it consolidates, the longer it coils, the higher it's going to go. Because this it has to touch this line here, right? So the longer it consolidates, the higher it's going to go. So it consolidates here, you know, the higher it's going to go. Okay, this is a very bullish chart. Bullish protocol. Guys, nothing in the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet, guys, who loves crypto and who loves my crypto bros. Okay, don't take this as any sort of advice. I just, you know, this is my opinion, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet. JVI's Adventures, look at Dogecoin, please. Shrey, how are you doing? Could you check Veracity, please? Free, look at Tonic. Okay. Vrudge, I will look at your coin. Vrudge always comments on my thing. Protocol is not on Coinbase. I think it's on Coinbase, bro. Look. Tradable cryptos. If you click on tradable cryptos, it shows protocol. You know, let's look at low market cap. Let's look at market caps. Look, protocol. Protocol trade. Here. It shows trade. UPI. $560,000 market cap. Crazy. These are one of the lowest market caps on, you know. This is the lowest market cap on Coinbase. At some time it's going to pump, man. So Free wanted what? Tonic. Tonic. Let's look at the Bitcoin. I don't see the Bitcoin chart for Tonic. Bro, I would really like to see a Bitcoin chart so that way I get a better idea. $99.85% down. So yeah, it had a good correction. See, I base everything what I know is on just you have to focus on 3 or 5 projects. 3 to 5 projects. You laser focus on those projects, right? And you learn that chart like thoroughly inside out. So the market, you know, you get an idea where the market's going, right? But this again, you know, tough call, bro. Tough call. You know, this is just a weird chart. Weird chart. Pump 200%. Is it ready for the next leg up? Yeah, let's see. Weird looking chart. How long it's gonna consolidate, bro? I don't know. How long it's gonna waste time here? There's no way to tell right now. That's why I wanted to look at the Bitcoin chart. you can say it's testing this resistance line. You see, this was the bottom, this was the top, and we went above this and are testing this. We tested once, tested twice, the third time, right? So it could be ready for the next leg up if we don't break down below this line. Then you could see a next leg up. See, hit 618. Next leg up would be 2618. So the pump would be somewhere, I'm just anticipating about 111% pump. But I don't get bullish on these projects mid-cycle. This is comparatively a new project. It just came out in 2022. So it has a lot more consolidation pending. Like even if it pumps, I would not believe. It's only 469 days old project. 462 days old project. So the consolidation usually lasts for at least 600 to 800 days in usual projects. 600 to 800 days. Sometimes it's 1200 to 1500 days, depending on what crypto you are in. Okay, so it's a dangerous project to be in, because I'm not sure. I like to be in projects which are in this trend, which changes trend and start going up. Okay, doesn't matter if it's a large cap or mid cap, but once it changes trend, right, it's a uptrend. I don't care if I buy here and it dumps. I don't care because it's an uptrend. Okay, it's an uptrend. It's normal for crypto to do that. Try to buy at the low point. The best would be just to wait out on the pump, wait out on the dump. Once it dumps, get in here and then enjoy the whole ride. But this one I'm not sure. Too young of a project, right? I would say I would give it at least 800 days. So I would not look at this until first quarter of 2024 is where I would expect it, something going on. Okay, you could see a step ladder. We could go up a little bit and then come back down, waste some time, and you could see a step ladder, start going up like that before you get a big jump, something like this. I don't think it's like fully fledged ready. Young project. Do I like Gala Games? Yes, Gala Games is good. Depends how much it has consolidated. Epic private internet cache. Raj, what was the coin? You said Veracity. Veracity, you wanted Veracity. Bro, Veracity looks like Digibyte. It looks like Digibyte. Okay, look at that. You want to see how Digibyte looked first cycle. So I wouldn't be surprised if something like that happens to Veracity. Look at that. This is Digibyte, and this is your Veracity. The Veracity came down this low, man. That's crazy. Digibyte stopped right here. Right. Somewhere here, it stopped. But Veracity came down all the way. Touched this. Man, that's crazy. They came down this low. That is crazy. So it's like, imagine as if Digibyte just kept on going down. And, you know, from here, it came down this low. Right. But the way they both printed cycle is very different right here. You see this? Because it created a lower low right here, where Digibyte didn't create a lower low, it was a higher low, right, compared to this. Yeah, that's a major difference between these two coins. Even the monthly channel is pretty strong here, man. Let's see if it's correct. Is it correct? No, it's not. Yeah, it could come very close to the all-time high. It could come very close to the all-time high. You know, built a arc like that. Something like that. Went down. How low did it go? 90%. So is it gonna create a little lower low? I don't know, bro. Ideally, look at this. I'm being generous, and you know, this ideally would be like this. You know, this is the correct way to make a channel. Then it would make the channel like that. So then, if you look at this way, then it shows it's possible that it creates a lower low. Just because I'm bullish right now, that's why I don't expect it to happen. But I think this was the lows, because at times, sometimes these people with the charts, they just want to fuck with you. The algorithm just want to fuck with you. That's why they create this, you know, band that comes out of the channel. That's why I disregard it. And I do think this can. I'm bullish until 2026. Right? There are two type of cycles I expect. One, we have a phenomenal run in 2026 and get a huge. I mean, 2023, we get a phenomenal run and get a massive dump in 2024. Sideways action 2024, and then pump 25, 26. Second option, we pump a good pump, and then dump. And then we go gradually up 2024, 2025, 2026, right? That's a cycle that I'm expecting. But on a whole, I'm bullish. Right now, for 100 days, I'm very bullish. After that, what happens, we will discuss that during that time. But yeah, I think it's possible that this could be the bottom for Veracity. And we go up from here. Look at that. But that would be my target, you know. This is against Bitcoin, right? Let's look at it against dollar. Oh, now it looks more like Digibyte. Look. See? Bro, look at that. Yeah, man. Look at this and look at Digibyte. Don't it look identical, bro? So, look at this. Just an identical chart compared to Digibyte. Look at that. Bro. Not be surprised if it goes to this level. 0.031 consolidates and goes back up, makes a new high. Okay, like that, and dump like that, then pumps back up again. Okay, something like this is possible. So if it comes close to its all-time high, I'll be out of Veracity. Just look at it. Something like this is totally possible. Okay. See what happened to Digibyte? Everyone was expecting $1 and went down all the way back down. Okay. I'm bullish on Digibyte right now. The most bullish project that I am on is Digibyte. Look. Digibyte has completed its whole cycle. It has reached its bottom. Now, if Digibyte does not go any lower than this, then Digibyte could have the biggest cycle in the crypto history. It'll be phenomenal. Look at that. $2-3, man. You know, not $1, $2-3. Digibyte. If this thing explodes, it's going to the moon. If this is the bottom and it does not create any lower low than this, then Digibyte, oh my god, I cannot even fathom. You know, this is the craziest chart among all crypto charts. Digibyte, it shows me $2-3, man. I'm being modest. Pushing it $5. Yeah, crazy. Raj, thanks for charting, Shrey. Sure, man, anytime. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, later. Thanks for the likes. I didn't have to mention that today. You already, liked all 20 likes. Amazing. You guys are great. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll try to come regular basis every day. See you. Have a good day, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Later. I'm gonna enjoy my Sunday. Go for a walk. Beautiful sunny day today. Right? Take care. Adios, amigos.